Our society has been telling us that we have to be a good girl, a good student, a good mom, a good daughter, a good wife. Perimenopause is the time that you're going to be free. Perimenopause is not a fun time. I'm going to be honest with you. It's not a fun time, but it's a good time. Why? Well, you're probably going to argue with me that, oh, with perimenopause, my hormone is shooting off the roof and I have all this anxiety. I'm achy all the time. But you have to know that your body is trying to tell you something. For all women, all our lives, our society has been telling us that we have to be a good girl, a good student, a good mom, a good daughter, a good wife. Perimenopause is the time that you're going to be free and really take care of yourself. That is why your body is sending out so many signals. Like for instance, vaginal dryness. The vaginal dryness, you might think that it's a bad thing, but it's actually your vagina is trying to tell you that, hey, now take care of me. There are a lot of things that can help this beautiful vagina to get healthy. It doesn't have to be dry, such as acupressure. That is you taking care of yourself using acupoints. And nothing is better than pampering your body. So the acupoints that I actually recommend for vaginal dryness is Spleen 6, which is about 3 fingers inside of your ankle, and stomach 36, which is the master point in our body. By giving yourself love by using acupressure, you can help your vagina to be healthy again. And of course, there are a lot of food that can take care of vaginal dryness, such as soy, wild yam, red clove, things like that. But one thing that you need to remember and pay attention to is that we don't want to just use supplement. We want to use the whole food because phytoestrogen is a very complex thing. You don't want to just isolate the phytoestrogen, but omit other ingredient, other phytochemical that also can help in helping with the hormonal fluctuation. So don't think of menopause as a time of suffering. Think of it as a time of liberation. If you like this video, please subscribe and follow me, and I'll see you soon.